Welcome back to part 3 of Bricks, Blocks, Stones, Rocks. I'm really excited on how these projects are coming together. We've gone through a lot of the bulk work, like the excavation and the base prep, setting us up for some segmental paving work and some sick brick inlays. We've put in some ledge stone steps, we've built some boulder walls, and we've got our foundation set. And the next step to bring in those inlays is our 1-inch bedding layer. Let's go ahead and check out these sites, but first, be sure to print off the copies of both of these designs so you can follow along as we transition from one material to the next. So we're back on our bullseye project, and here's the design concept that we're working off of. We have our foundation layer set down here. We've built these steps already because we're working our way out of here. So we did mess up this foundation a little bit. We're gonna get that compacted and back. We've got this staircase built, and we've got our terraces built. Now, both of these staircases and the entire pitch of this patio were set up with grade stakes. We have a grade stake here. We have one here for our radius. That's also our height. We have a grade stake over here, and we have a couple grade stakes out here. These have been in the ground since excavation. I love the grade stake principle because it's a constant reminder of where the surface has to be and how we dig down and build ourselves back up to that surface. So on this job, we're gonna get started with our bedding layer. And to do that, we're gonna be setting our pipes perpendicular to the foundation is usually how you wanna run your pipes or your bed setting bays, because then you're not messing with the pitch. So all the pitch in the water is running this way. So we're gonna screed with our board or our level on our bedding, on our screed rails, following the pitch of whatever our patio is set up for. The bedding layer is the 1 inch of forgiveness, if you will, between the 3/4 inch foundation and the pavers that we're gonna be setting on top of it or bedding into it.